Hello mis amores, welcome back to my channel, and today I have collaborated with ZEELOOL, and this company is a glasses company. So I don't know if you guys know, but I do wear glasses. I don't usually wear them when I record, but I do wear glasses, and I am excited to share with you guys this unboxing of the glasses that I have chosen in this collaboration. And also I have a discount code for you guys. Like, who doesn't love a discount code? So stick around and stay tuned to see how these glasses look. Okay, so like I said, I am completely unboxing this with you guys today. I have not opened them, as you guys can see. And then a quick information about this company. You can basically pick your glasses. There's hundreds of thousands of styles. You can pick whatever you like, obviously, and you can customize your glasses with your prescription. And then the prices for the glasses are super affordable. Everything is super affordable. The styles are different. They're like unique styles. So it's just something different to have. Like, instead of having like the regular plain old glasses, you can like have really nice glasses at an affordable price. So that is great. And of course I will be linking everything below, with also the discount code that you guys saw earlier, and it will also be in the description. I'm gonna open this now. That was so cute. It was like a zipper. I love it. Oh, I'm excited to see. Okay. It came with a ruler. Kind of like a ruler. PD ruler. So pupil distance or pupillary distance ruler, I guess, to figure out what the distance is so you can get the right prescription. Yes, so it came in this box. Cute little, also came with another coupon, and then the receipt of everything that I ordered. And then each glasses came in a cute little baggie. Each one came in. I have 6 pairs here to show you, and they also provided, how cute is that, to clean your glasses. I love these. I can never get enough. It says 6th anniversary. So this is a fairly new company, but I'm really loving everything that I saw on the website. So without further ado, let's get started and try these glasses on. So first one, it's random order. I don't know which one is which. They're all in the baggie, so we'll find out together. Okay. So I chose these because I always wanted like a black frame glass. My personal glasses, I'll show you in a minute, are just super plain and like librarian looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the plastic. Off rip, I can tell you that they're super sturdy. The quality is very nice. It's a very good looking sturdy glasses. So here it is. So don't mind the glare from my ring light. I love these glasses. Oh my god. I do need to get my prescription in them, like, because I don't, you know, this is like sexy librarian, and the other one that I have is just straight librarian. I don't leave my house with with those glasses, but here I can leave my house with these. What do you guys think? You like them? I love them. I'm loving it so far. I know they have, I think they have a different, like if you didn't want black, you could get a different style. And of course, like I said, everything will be linked below, the direct link to each one of these glasses and the discount code. Yes, I love them. I love them. All right, so I'm showing you guys now for a second. Pause from this haul, my librarian glasses. These do have my prescription in it. These are my glasses that I got from the doctor. Like, they're okay, but the other ones were so much nicer. On to glasses number 2. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the plastic. And it came with this here. I'm kind of unsure what it is. But besides that, like, look how pretty the little diamonds. I love that stone, that shape of the stone. And they're like the updated version of the Jeffrey Dahmer glass kind of look. No, that's horrible. This is like so pretty. Like, I feel like a princess. A princess with glasses. I love it. I love the little diamonds. I love that they're clear. Like, I would totally rock these just like this. No prescription needed. What do you guys think? Do you guys, is it a hit or a miss? So far, these two glasses, this one and the first one, are a hit. I like them. I totally rock these. On to glasses number 3. So here I have some pink glasses. I'm gonna remove the plastic. Ooh, okay. So for all of these, I'm saying the quality is amazing. It's super sturdy. It's not like the glasses that you try on and immediately like they're falling off, that you can't, if you were to put your prescription or something like that, you couldn't read in because they're falling off. So no, these are actually very good quality. All of them, the ones that I've tried on, and they're super stylish. Oh my god. So these look a little bit like the first ones because of this, but the style is completely different. They are pink. I don't know if you guys can see, with like that cheetah print at the bottom. So these are very kind of funky glasses, but I still like them. I still like, this is also a hit. It's just different from what I would usually get for myself, but I'm totally feeling them. I would definitely rock these. I am not a fan of pink, but I'm totally with this right now. Like, I am. And it's like nice. It's not like an ugly pink. It's like that magenta, like nice burgundy, almost burgundy type of red pink. I like it. And it matches my lipstick. Remember to let me know what you guys think in these comments. I am loving all these glasses, so I can't pick a favorite. On to glasses number 4. Dun, da, da, da. Drum roll, please. Ooh. So these are chunky glasses. Wait, my hair. It's getting caught in my hair. Okay. So what do you guys think? These are like I think they call them like a tortoise color. They're like kind of yellow and brown. They're super square, super big. So this would probably be really good for somebody who had very like big eyes or just had a larger face. Like I have a very big forehead, so this isn't so bad for me, but I can totally see a guy rocking these too, not just women. It's kind of like a unisex glass in my opinion. They're very trendy. The only thing that for me, like my eyebrows are big, so it's kind of like it's kind of making my eyebrows look like even bigger. But that's just me and my eyebrow situation going on. But I do like these glasses. Okay, now this is number 5. So it's this one, and I got one more left to show you guys. Drum roll, please. Ooh. So these are like the last ones, but they are blue on the bottom. So you guys can see it's like a dark blue, like ocean blue. And they're square just like the other ones. What do you guys think? Do you prefer this one or do you guys prefer the other one? I think I like the other one better, number 4, the last one, just because I think this is more like, I don't know, blue on me like this right now is not my favorite. I feel like it's making me look a little bit darker, so that's why I prefer the other one. But the quality and the shape and the style is super on point. Same thing here on the sides. So here's the like looking down test, they call it. You can see it stays right where it's at, and it doesn't have the like the other ones have. Some of them have the 2 things here, which is good because I feel like if you're wearing makeup, it's better because it won't leave a mark as opposed to the other ones. There's nothing wrong with the other ones, but as far as like a makeup situation, you get less of that mark when you don't have the 2 little, I don't know what they're called, placeholders. But yes, these are another hit. Another hit. Okay. And last but not least, number 6. Number 6. Oh my god. I like these a lot. I think I have not tried them on, but I think that these are gonna be my favorite. So let's find out. Before I try them on, I want you guys to see how pretty. It's like a nice beige, like cream color. The design, this particular design is my favorite. I like my glasses a little bit thinner. And also I like that they're thin here and they have this kind of gold look to it. Good for the makeup. There's no little things. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. These are my favorite. I was right because I know me. I love these glasses. I love them. I love them. I have to put my prescription in these. That's it. Forget about everything else. These are the ones that I need to wear. Do we agree? Do we all agree? Do you guys think that this one is the best one for me? I love that. All right, guys, so as much as I wish to try on 100,000 glasses for you all today, this video has come to an end. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, please. I want to know which one was your favorite. Don't forget that I have a discount code for you guys, and in the description is the link to each and every single one of these glasses. And I hope to see you again next time in the next video. Bye, guys.